Okay. So you can write your analog Butterworth filter like this, and the Butterworth polynomial will be given as Bn of S. Okay. All right. So just observe here, students. You have to, whatever k value you got here, right? Whatever theta value you got, you substitute as the roots of the equation. Okay. Product of S minus Sk refers to the left hand side poles. Okay. Left hand side poles. That means if I want, say for example, why do I choose left hand side poles? Is these are the left hand side poles. In your control systems, you would have studied, right? The stability of a system is when you choose the poles on the left hand side of the system. That is why we are going to choose everything. If you write it in terms of S minus something, it is very good. So for a Butterworth polynomial of, suppose n is equal to 1, what happens here? Suppose you are in this previous thing, right? Here n is equal to 2 is there. N is equal to 1 means you have just how many values? 0 to 2n minus 1. 2n means 2 into 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 0 and 1. Right? So the theta values that you have will be what?
Theta naught and theta 1, ma'am.
Theta naught and theta 1. So you will choose only the value of your S naught which lies on the left hand of the S plane. Getting? So if you see here for S is equal to n is equal to 3, S naught, S1, S2, you have plotted. So you will choose only these values, only those roots to write your answer. Getting this? So find out the,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
our main goal is e power j theta you want to find. Theta you find out, S is equal to, you know, Sk means what? E power j into theta k. E power j theta k means what? Cos minus j sine theta, right? This is what it is. So you find out this and find out the real roots of the denominator. You substitute and find out the values. Okay. For n is equal to 0, and I want you to form a table where n is the order of the filter and the Sk or the Butterworth polynomial, sorry, the Butterworth polynomial for the values of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. At least for 5 values of n, you find out the Butterworth polynomial, write and keep. Even in your exam, this step is very important for you to design an analog. I told you, right, no matter whatever is the problem, you will first design a filter, Butterworth filter with cutoff frequency equal to 1. So if you have to design Butterworth filter of cutoff frequency 1, it is having the form like this. 1 divided by product of S minus Sk. So you find out the value of Sk first for different values of n. Then you substitute it there and choose the left half S poles. Getting? So please try to do it and try to fill this table. So there is some important meeting that is there. Not meeting, some registration kind of thing for the staff. I will just finish that and come back. Okay. What is the time? It's already time, is it? Okay.
Only 4 minutes left, ma'am.
Okay, so let me fill this. All of you try if you can fill this. You will get the polynomial like this. S square plus root 2s plus 1. The next one is s square plus s plus 1 into s plus 1. Okay, you'll get the Butterworth polynomial like this. See if you're able to obtain. In the notes also I have done this. Notes it is done. What is shared there also it is done. You please go through it In the next class, we will continue. Last hour, Divya ma'am is going to take. Okay. Okay, students, then we'll end the meeting. Please write till here. Order of the Butterworth filter and other things we will do in the next class. Lot of things are there to finish. So if we get classes like this, I will take it and we'll, try to finish all the topics. Okay. Fine then. Thank you. Anything you want to ask?
Thank you, ma'am.
Only 16 have joined back, is it? Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, for one value, if you would have shown it, would have been nice.
I
In
will
next
show.
class, you show, ma'am.
Yeah, I will show in the next class. You try it out if you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
do it, or else we'll do in the next class. No problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.